less shower, less styling, and it's me on a daily basis.
Oh, denim, denim, we're gonna wear lots of denim. My dreams, I had it all. Money, 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 must be funny. Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga. It's been a while, I know it. I missed you so much. Yesterday I came home and my husband and I, we were talking. I told him that I had to upload a video, and it's been a while since I uploaded any sort of video. And I will not lie to you, the least favorite process of all when I'm doing my vlog or blog is to upload videos. I literally just hate putting down some tags and description, something that I don't really like. This is not my vibe, this is not my style. But yesterday I missed it so much that I was enjoying this process, which is weird, and I'm full of inspiration, full of new ideas. I needed this time out for me and my family, and I will show you right at the end of the video what we've been doing this whole time. We're still not done yet, but probably 80% of work is done. That's why you are going to be witnessing what I was doing this whole week and a half. And without further ado, let's get started. We're going to do a get ready with me in the outfit of the day, so stay tuned. By the way, guys, if you want to know how to do this beautiful blowout, or not even a blowout, just really cool and easy hairstyle, check out the previous video. It's so easy. I'm gonna be going to my NYX primer. This is my ultimate favorite eye primer and the one that I use every single video. I will do the right eye with you guys, and the left eye I'm gonna do for my shorts. I actually narrowed my brows a little bit. I do believe they're just much better. They're looking much better this way. I'm gonna be using today my ultimate favorite eyeshadow palette. This is from Makeup Revolution Turkish Delight. Probably it's out of stock because I purchased that probably 2, 3, 4 years ago. I don't remember what was the timing, but I know that I love it so much and I keep coming back to this palette every single time. That is the main reason why. If you have anything similar, I just love pink colors. I love lemon colors, you know, like yellow, gold at the same time. That is the main reason why we're going to the Squitch. I'd say this is the pronunciation color, and I really need to set my lid first. I'm gonna go with the combination of both colors, candy and gummy. I'm gonna mix them together and place on top. I'm using big and fluffy brush. These are soft colors, that's why I'm not afraid. I will go to Bazaar color. This is a gold and it's going to be placed in the inner corner. I do believe it's going to be a great start. By the way, I found another dress for my cousin's wedding. This time it's not white, it's gonna be blue. That's why I wanted to change it, and it's really close to something that Selena wore once upon a time. I'm gonna place this really pretty shade in the inner corner like that. I don't really want to do anything crazy. I don't really want to place it all over my lid. It's just gonna be really pretty shade for my inner corner. And then I will move to a little bit different shade. I'm gonna use my wet beauty blender, and my beauty blender is actually giving the moisture to my brush. That is the main reason why I do this trick, and my brush is moist. I'm going to Dates color, and I will place it over my middle part of the lid. It's giving a little bit different shade, a little bit darker color, and I'm stamping basically. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm gonna mix in my gold, this beautiful bronzy color. And the final shade is gonna be pink. I know, it might be a little bit crazy, but I love the combination of colors, and we're definitely going with a little bit different shade on top to smooth everything out. But for now, we're just gonna place some colors on and then just try to diffuse them and blend out. The color that I'm aiming for is gonna be that beautiful pink shade. This is pomegranate. And then I'm just going over with this color in the outer corner. Oh, I missed this so much. I can't believe that I'm finally back with another tutorial, with another explanation video, because I spent the whole week, and probably a week and a half, at my parents' house with my husband, and we were doing lots of things. We were painting a lot, and that is the main reason why I'm just gonna post this video a little bit later. And then I will probably use small crease brush, and then I will go with probably this pink shade in the outer corner first. I'm gonna tap it off, try to blend out and diffuse this pink color. And from this part, I'm going to a little bit different blending brush, crease brush, and I'm going with Gummy Shade. Gummy Shade might be a little, really pretty. And I will mix it with this Squitch. Gummy and Squitch working together. I'm using a short and thick brush. This one is not giving too much color, and it's just focusing the shade over spots I want them to be visible. And of course, I did not forget about glitter. I mean, it wouldn't be me if I didn't add glitter. You know me, I am a huge fan of glitter. I will probably add some shimmers. This is Delicacy. The Delicacy goes over my brow bone, and I have this really cool trick. I have aloe vera. This is not aloe vera, this is just some aloe, I'd say, probably. And I have lots of glitters. I will go to this glitter and that one. These are gonna be like my favorite go-to. So this one, I will go straight to the inner corner. It's just gonna be like a small dot of lemon color. Looking good. Okay, so we're gonna bring this in the inner corner like that. This is the inner corner, and then for my baklava shade, so pretty glitter, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the same gel. And baklava is gonna be in the middle of my lid. Like that, and I will place this beautiful glitter inside of this black hole. Let's choose for my lower lid. I don't want to do anything crazy. We're going to my tea shade. Diffuse the color. And of course, I bought another mascara from Essence. This is I Love Crazy Volume Mascara. When you use the new mascara from Essence, the product might be a little bit runny. The formula might be a little bit runny. That's why I combine that with a little bit of my previous mascara because it's just really thick. I'm going to show you how I do that. I'm going with the previous mascara and brushing the lashes. When it's almost dry, but it's not super dry because it can work with dry lashes, I'm going with the same mascara one more time. Boom, it's done. I'm gonna repeat the same steps for my left eye, definitely for my shorts, and I'll be back to conclude the video and show you the outfit of the day. I will be honest, I have no idea what color I want to do for my lips, but I do believe that we're going to be entering the summer with really beautiful and bright lip. I am going to outline. By the way, I used some lip balm, just using some lip pencil, and on top of that, I will be going with this Revlon really pretty shade. This is Ultra HD Lip Lacquer 515 HD Pink Ruby. Okay guys, I'm going to show you all white option, and I really love this outfit. This is going to be a skirt and a top, and you're going to just in a sec see and witness what I'm about to create. Okay, so I have this really cute top and this really cute skirt on top. I was actually planning on wearing this for my wedding day. Something didn't work out for me. I have this really cute heels. I'm going to put on the bracelet. This has brown and silver in it, and I will put on some rings. And I want to put on some jean jacket, probably on top. And we all know that denim is really popular this season, so I would probably wear this as a night out makeup look, and I can't even wear this without any occasion. It's looking really cool and casual, and let me bring you my glasses that I will probably put on as well. Okay, so I have this really cute Tiffany glasses. I love them so much, and they're looking really pretty. What do we think? So this is the outfit, the complete look. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Get ready with me because it's just we're entering the summer season, which is so cool. I love the outfit, I love the look, makeup look. It's so fresh, and I love that the colorful makeup look is toned down with the help of white and denim. So denim is really cool this season, and everyone is so cool about like, oh, denim, we're gonna wear lots of denim. I guess it's 80s vibes. Okay, I'm gonna see you in my next video, guys. I love you so much. I will show you how I looked without any makeup, without any hairstyles. It was a nightmare for me, so like, stay with me, and I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully. Love you so much. Bye.
Okay guys, I was missing for a reason. This is my outfit for this whole week.
I was spending a lot of time with my parents, their like house, and I was doing so much stuff. And most of the stuff happened, let me show you. This is the before. This is our sort of lounge zone, and this was the color, almost the same one on the sides, and this is the shade that we picked. So on the sides, it's just going to be brown, and I literally spent the whole month going back and forth and sanding down, and then inside we have this beautiful, it looks like white shade, but it's like with a little bit of lavender color in it, and when it's shades, different type of shades, it's just given absolutely different color. And so yeah, this is it. I'm gonna sand down the floor, and then we are gonna probably apply this brown on the floor, and I would change a little bit this like weird green shade that we used to have. And yeah, that's how I look the whole week, and that's how I wanted to redecorate, repaint the old lounge zone. That's why I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to post and vlog and film. I just took this whole week off because I needed this to complete the whole project for my family's house, and I'm obsessed with this new shade, with this new color. I will probably find some photos. What it used to be, it had some weird texture, weird color, that most of this color was washed off. It was dirty, that's why we had to sand everything down, and most of this part, the majority of sanding, I took myself. Then my husband and my mom, they helped me a little bit, like right in the end. And then I painted the whole thing with my parents, like not with my parents, with my mom and my husband. So we did the whole job, and I'm really excited. And that is the main reason why I couldn't film, why I couldn't actually upload anything for you guys, because it just took all of my time and energy, let's say. And we have lots of things coming. We have lots of things to probably just update. Yeah, so I don't really know. Maybe I'm gonna move in with my parents like during the summer period to complete some of the stuff. And yeah, lots of projects, and you can see less shower, less styling, and it's me on a daily basis.